Welcome to Sapphire Info Solutions, a trusted name in global outsourcing. From our advanced delivery center in Mohali, India, we empower businesses across UK, Australia and beyond with secure, efficient and cost-effective accounting and business processing solutions. Established in 2004, Sapphire Info Solutions is a UK-headquartered outsourcing company with operational hubs in India. Over the years, we've established ourselves as highly specialized service providers, focusing on taxation, accounting, bookkeeping, payroll, and financial back office support. With clients ranging from solo practitioners to multi-office firms, we bring scalable and flexible solutions tailor-cut to exactly what they need, allowing them to focus more on their strategic growth. Our services are rooted in deep domain knowledge and compliance with international regulations. These include bookkeeping and cloud accounting, VAT returns, GST and CIS reporting, year-end final accounts preparation, self-assessment, corporation tax and BAS filing, payroll management and auto-enrollment, company secretarial and admin support. We work as an extension of our clients' teams, following their systems, timelines, and expectations, ensuring seamless delivery and consistent quality. Innovation is at the heart of our services. Recently, we have invested in automation and AI to increase efficiency and accuracy. Sapphire Job Portal, a centralized system for task tracking, data management, and collaboration, designed to give clients full visibility of their work in progress. Sapphire Review Assist, our in-house AI-powered platform that automates review checks, minimizes human error, and enables smarter analysis so our teams can focus on delivering insights and strategic value. We are certified under ISO 27001:2013 for information security and ISO 9001:2015 for quality management, ensuring you get world-class standards with every transaction. Client data is encrypted, monitored, and managed in compliance with GDPR. From authentication to audits, our systems are built to ensure your information is never compromised. Now let me introduce you to one of our team leaders here, Ms. C.A. Kriti Sood. Hello.
Hello.
Please tell us a little about your current working here.
Hello everyone. I am C.A. Kriti Sood. I have been working at Sapphire Info Solutions for 3 years now, currently serving as a team leader. I act as an account manager, responsible for managing dedicated resources, and in addition, I also oversee a training initiative. We run a comprehensive 3 months training program for all new joiners. At the end of the program, participants are awarded a training completion certificate. I'm proud to lead a dedicated team of 5 professionals. Each team is well trained in bookkeeping, PTRs, and final accounts. My role involves ensuring quality, accuracy, and timely delivery across all our services.
Now we'll be talking to one of our Australian team leaders, Ms. Avni. Hello, Ms. Avni.
Hello.
Please tell us about the Sapphire Digital Accounting based in Australia.
Hello, I'm Avni, team leader at Sapphire Digital Accounting Australia. Our team here specializes in delivering end-to-end accounting and compliance support tailored for Australian businesses and accounting firms. We handle a wide range of services, including bookkeeping, BAS and GST reporting, payroll processing, year-end financial statements, and company secretarial support. Our goal is to give clients the confidence that the accounting functions are being managed with accuracy and professionalism. One of the strengths of Sapphire Digital Accounting is that we adapt to the unique needs of each client, whether it's supporting sole practitioners, mid-sized firms, or larger organizations. We provide scalable solutions that integrate seamlessly with their systems and workflows.
Now let's talk to our IT manager, Mr. Bhupinder Kumar. Hello, sir.
Hi, Ria.
So please tell us a little about our client onboarding and security systems here.
I'm Bhupinder from Client Onboarding Team. Our goal is to make every transition smooth and stress-free. Whether we are migrating large volume of client data or setting up secure system access, we ensure everything is integrated quickly with minimal disruption.
Security is non-negotiable. That's why our entire infrastructure is built on AWS system, protected by Sophos firewalls, multi-factor authentication, and daily encrypted backups. No external RDP access, one-to-one VPN tunnels, and strict user controls, all designed to keep your data safe and compliant. People are our strength. We invest in their well-being, their growth, and their happiness. Our team works hard, and we make sure they feel fulfilled, supported, and proud.
Even with tight deadlines, we enjoy our time here. It's a good balance between focus and fun.
At Sapphire Info Solutions, we don't just deliver services. We build partnerships that grow, adapt, and succeed together. Secure, scalable, smart. That's outsourcing the Sapphire way.